Nice.
Today we are going to do estimating sums, but we're going to round to the thousands place. So to the whiteboard. Okay, estimating sums by rounding them to the rounding them to the thousands place is just like estimating sums by rounding them to the hundreds and tens place, except this time it's just the thousands place. Okay, so let's say I have the number 52,753. Okay, plus the number 78,455. Whoa, oops, that's not a question mark. What is the estimated sum? Not the exact sum, the estimated sum of these numbers. Well, first, and to do this, we round. Remember, whenever we're estimating sums, we round. But to do this, we're going to round to the thousands place, which is this place. We're going to round these numbers, okay, to the closest next number. Okay, and to do that, we have to look at the number that came before it, the hundreds place number. What thousand is closest to 700? Well, in this case, is it like what thousand is closest to 700? Is it to 2,700? Is it 3,000 or is it 2,000? Well, it's 3,000 because 2,700 is closest to 3,000. So this would be 53,000 plus this rounded to the nearest thousand. Well, what is 8,400 rounded to the nearest thousand? Well, that is 8,000. So if I were to round this to the nearest thousand, this would be it. That'd be it. We would add this together, which is, if we do it the vector column way, like this, and then we just 0, 0, 0, comma, 11. 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So this would be it. This would be the estimated sum. Estimated sum, not the accurate sum, not the exact sum. This would be the estimated sum if we rounded it to the thousands place. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, well, what is 153,622 plus 76,389 estimate? What is our estimated if we round to the estimation if we round to the nearest thousands, which is this place right here. This is the thousands place right there. So let's first do the larger number right here. Well, 153,000. And then remember, if we're going to round to the thousands place, we got to look at the hundreds place because it's the place that comes before the thousands place. Okay, well, 3,600. 3,600. What thousands place is 3,600 closest to? Well, it's closest to the 4,000s place. So this would become 4,000 like that, because we rounded everything to the nearest thousandth. And then this one, 76,389. Well, we have to look at this place right here because it comes before the thousands place. So this would be, what is 6,300 rounded to the nearest thousandth? What is 6,300? What thousand is that closest to? What's closest to 6,000? This should be just this. And if we add them together, doing vector column addition, comma, woo, woo, woo. Ooh, ooh. 0, 0, 0, 10, 5 plus 7 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. And there we go. And this is our estimated number when rounding to the nearest thousand. This is not the exact number. Remember, this is the estimated number. And that's how you do it. That's how you estimate rounding to the nearest thousand. You just round the number to the nearest thousand. You add them together, and that's your estimated number. Not the exact number. This is a different number. If we were to add these numbers together, this would be a different number than this one. Wouldn't it be the same thing? This is just an estimation, the close guess to what this is equal to. So yeah, go home and practice for yourself and stay in school.